Quick results versus long-term growth, the discipline that builds real success. Today we will talk about this with you, dear viewers. Subscribe to us so you don't miss us. We live in an age of speed. One click and you get closer to what you want. One day and you expect results. 1 week and you demand success. But life doesn't work that way. The biggest results are born from slow, invisible processes. The attraction of quick results. Quick results are seductive. They are bright, they are fast, they give you instant reward. You feel a small win, but that feeling doesn't last, and you keep chasing it again and again and again. The hidden cost of quick results. Every quick result has a cost: a lack of depth, a lack of stability, a lack of real growth. You win fast, but you lose just as fast. The nature of long-term growth. Long-term growth is quiet. It doesn't make noise. It doesn't give instant results, but it transforms you from within. Every small step makes you stronger. The invisible phase. The hardest part is the invisible phase. You keep working, but nothing seems to change. Most people quit right here because they only want to see results. Discipline, the real difference. Discipline is what separates you from others. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. It's showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. The compound effect. Small actions create massive results. A small action today becomes a big change tomorrow. You won't notice it immediately, but over time, it explodes. Real-life comparison. 2 people. One chases quick results. The other builds slowly. At the beginning, no difference. But time changes everything. The psychological test. This is not just external. It's an internal battle. Doubt, fatigue, impatience, and one question: should I keep going? The turning point. One day, results start to appear. Small changes become something bigger, and you realize nothing was wasted. The real transformation. The biggest reward is not the result, it's who you become. You became stronger. You became more patient. You started thinking differently. Conclusion. Quick results are an illusion. Long-term growth is reality. This is not a simple question. What will you choose today? Quick results or real growth? Because your choice creates your future.